On this video, we'll show you how to install plugin and theme on WordPress. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Click on Upload Plugin. Upload your file plugin and click on Install Now. Here, click on Activate Plugin. Okay, let's install theme. Go to Appearance and click on Theme. Click on Add New. Here you can install free theme. Choose your theme, click on Install, and activate theme. If you have uploaded your theme, again, click on Add New. Click on Upload your theme. Choose your theme and install. Activate your theme. That's it, your theme has installed. Thanks for watching this video.